Morning class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 3, numbers in Indian and international system. Children, in mathematics you must have read this word unit. It means a single thing. For example, a pen, a boy, etc. means one thing. Okay. Then you must have read this word number, numeral and numeration. Now children, this is the number and this numeral is a symbol representing a given number. Okay, this numeral is a symbol which is representing a given number and numeration represents the number in words. Numeration represents the number in words, like in spelling THREE 3. Okay. Then today we are going to learn Hindu-Arabic, that is Indian system of numeration. You must have also studied this in class 5 also. Now today we are going to revise that. Indian number system, also known as denary system. Now these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These symbols, children, they are called digits. They are called your digits. Now 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. They are your even numerals, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are your odd numerals. You can also remember like this, which are divisible by 2, they are your even ones, and which are not divisible by 2, they are your odd numerals. Now children, let's know more about this Indian system. Now this has been divided into periods like ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In ones, there comes ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, thousand and 10,000, lakhs, lakh and 10 lakh, crores, crore and 10 crore. These are the periods divided over here. Now let's see one number, children. 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now write it in Indian system. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4 and 7. Now how you are going to read it, children? 7 is coming under 10 lakhs, 4 is lakh, 5,000, okay, 5, 10,000, sorry. Now read it. 74 lakh 56,123, and you will put the commas accordingly to separate the groups. Like ones, tens, 100, one group, put a comma. Then 1,000, 10,000, one group, put a comma. Then lakh and 10 lakh, one group, put a don't put a comma, fine. Now commas in numerals separate the groups. These commas separate the groups. Now you need to remember some important things, children. First is, do not write 5493. For example, this is the number as 5,000s, 400s, 93. This is wrong. Correct way is 5,493. Second thing to be noted is, do not use the word and before tens and ones. Take the same number 5493. 5,493. Wrong. 5,493. Don't use and. Now last thing is, do not put commas when writing the numeral. Never write 2468 as 2000, 400, 68. This is wrong. Correct way is 2468. No comma. Okay. Now next comes, children, international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, children, see the groups ones, thousands, millions and billions. In ones it comes ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and thousands. In millions, million, 10 million, 100 million, and in billions, billion, 10 billion, 100 billions. Now let us see one number. 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Put the values here, put the digits here. Now read it. 7,456,123. 7,456,123. 456,123 and put the commas accordingly. Ones, tens, hundred, one group, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, one group, comma, then 7 million. Okay. Now let us see one more example, children. Using Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, read the number 850746. Using which system? Hindu-Arabic system. Now ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You can write first, okay? And now put the digits. 647058. ठीक है? Now read it. 8,50,746. 8,50,746. No commas, no end, no thousands and hundreds. Understood the method? Now children, write the same number in international system. First you write the digits. Now put this thing. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. In international system it is 850,746. See again. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So you write it 850,746. I hope this much is clear to you, children. Now you will be doing exercise 3 in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.